ELI 5. Why do we often see on the news that there has been a significant scientific breakthrough in research, but rarely do they actually become a reality? For example, scientists making a significant breakthrough in cancer research. First, news like to sensationalize things. Second, even after the breakthrough is achieved, there's still years of research ahead to make it useful. Finally, the breakthrough usually doesn't mean something like, we found a treatment to all cancers. It's usually more like, we found a treatment that has a 25% of success and can be used in 30% of cases of this particular type of cancer. And it might be a drug that at that time can only be synthesized in the lab in small quantities and huge costs. If the reality is that they could only produce 100 doses per week with current equipment, and each patient needs that daily, then this breakthrough for a boost in efficacy applicable to a small fraction of all cancer patients can still only help about a dozen people. And maybe it'll cost tens of millions of dollars per year to even do that, so someone has to pay for the millions of dollars per patient. And that still might ignore the tens or hundreds of millions of dollars poured in to get that far, and that it is still an experimental treatment not likely FDA approved. And even scaling up might not make sense if those 100 doses per week are made with equipment costing tens or hundreds of millions of dollars. While it was a breakthrough, when the reality is that you have to figure out how to make it at a rate 1000x or more greater, and at 1000x or less of the cost, it likely requires many breakthroughs to really get to the people who need it.